Hi, my name is April, and I have been a patient here at Twin Cities Dental for about 2 years. And the biggest surgical implant that I've had done is an implant on my mouth, on the very, very front of my tooth here. Should I talk about how it happened?
Sure,
Okay.
yeah.
And how I ended up here in this situation is when I was 11 years old, I was very naughty and I didn't pay attention, and I went over to my neighbor's house and I was doing gymnastics, and I was told not to go on the bar that was in the basement to practice my gymnastics. I was like, sure, okay. Well, I went and did it anyways. And so instead of going backwards like I was supposed to for my flip, I went forwards and landed on the front of my face and looked like a vampire for a complete week until they fixed it for me. And they just molded some stuff on there. It looked like a real tooth. It looked fine like everything else. Well, years later, 26 years old, they did an x-ray and they saw that there was an infection on the top of my tooth, and they're like, it's inevitable, it's gonna come out. I was like, oh no, I have to move back to Alabama. That's the only place I'll be accepted. But yeah, so I was like, okay, just take it out, you know. So they said, okay, well, we're going to have to do an implant. And with an implant, they put a screw in there, and then they show you in the x-ray afterwards what it looks like. The pain, I'm pretty weak when it comes to pain, so I'm sure to others it's not that bad, but it was just a little sore. I mean, just a little swollen, and it lasted for about maybe a couple of days, but they gave me the medication I needed to help numb it down so I could talk at work. I work at Wells Fargo in a call center, so my speech was a little off for a little bit, but I made light of it and it was fun, and I'm so happy that I came here because I'm finally getting my new tooth now, and everyone that works here is super nice and always make me laugh, and I've been patient, they've been patient with me. So yeah, so overall it's been a very good experience.
Great. And would you recommend a dental implant to somebody else?
I definitely would. You know, if you're, you know, I do have a friend that has a missing tooth. He's totally fine with it. He doesn't feel like he needs it. But for other, I mean, me being a woman, I mean, it is in the very front of my face. I do recommend it. It's going to look just like the rest of your other teeth. Nobody's going to ever be able to tell. And if you do want to tell the story to make fun of it, do it like I would.
Great. Well, thank you so much for sharing your story.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.